Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to assemble your digital sewing pattern using my custom star and rectangle matching system. Whether you are a beginner or new to PDF patterns, this step-by-step guide will make the process super easy. First thing first, make sure you are printing your pattern at the correct scale. Select your desired size, set the print scale to 100% or actual size and uncheck fit to page. This ensures your pattern pieces come out true to size. You will need your printed pattern, scissors or a paper cutter, tape or glue. Trim only the left side of each page in a row starting from A2, A3 and so on. Start with row A, align the stars on each page edge to match A1 to A2, A3 and so on. Tape them or glue them together neatly. Repeat the same for row B, row C and all remaining rows. Now align the rectangles vertically to join the rows A to B, B to C and so on. Glue them securely. Once the full layout is ready, cut out your pattern pieces. You are now ready to sew. And that's how you assemble your digital pattern with the star and grid system. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what you are sewing next. Happy sewing and don't forget to tag us in your finished looks.